Taon-taon na yung ginamit dyan.
Anong gamit mo dyan, Carl? Anong gamit mo?
Mga gulay-gulay naman ng tao. Yung gulay-gulay na iniiwak. Iniiwalang
mga palaya,
mga okula, mga kalot, mga lahat po ng gulay. Ginawa po namin ganyan.
malaki tinulong nito kay Carl kasi una, nawala yung sa sarili niya na hindi lang yun siya yung masabi na walang magawa sa buhay niya. Saka nawala yung mga hiya niya personal sa sarili niya pa.
Started in 2004. Alam mo, pumunta kami, nasa Quezon City Circle kami noon. At meron mga gathering ng mga bata. At napansin namin, walang bata na may kapansanan na included. So we thought of putting up, creating something for the children with disabilities in the grassroots. So ang very viable at the time was the art workshop. Anybody can do art. So art workshop lang yan every year, every October, that is Children's Month. Tapos, 5 years ago, nung ang art workshop namin napunta sa Metropolitan Museum of Manila, they suggested na i-exhibit namin ang artworks. Na-exhibit namin yan doon 2 beses, tapos sa Museum Pambata. Itong 2013, ang exhibit namin, may kaibahan dahil marami kaming artworks na dinidisplay. We are exhibiting 39 artworks. They enjoy going out of their homes, no, and having an activity with other children. Like they are able to meet other children who are like them. They enjoy each other's company and they do work together. And I guess that's something that is very rewarding for them. 10 years na namin ginagawa ito sa Metro Manila. At marami na kaming nakitang mga magulang na ang mga anak nila hindi nila pinapaaral. Ngayon, because nakita nila na mayroong pag-asa, pinapaaral nila.